Hi everyone, I'm very excited to show you what we're working on for the canvas, no code canvas, making it possible to build using stacks but without having to write any code. So if you look at the screen, you will notice that I'm within the build section on Turn, and what you see in front of you is a nice canvas. Look at, can zoom in and out, I can move my cards around. So let me show you how we're building. On the canvas, you will note two messages. The first one is just saying welcome to the help desk and stating our open times, 8 to 5 on weekdays. Next up, I want to say, okay, I want to build a menu card. So I say this is a menu, and we are asking the user, what can we help you with? Great. And then I give them three options. Maybe the first one is to say, well, ask question, or other menu option would be query follow-up. And then lastly, we may have a third section around FAQ content that we make available. You will note that I can drag a card around, so it doesn't matter if you prefer going horizontally or vertically. Okay, so I have a welcome and a message card. Next up, I want to say, let's add a message with media. I'm going to add an image. Just moving it for myself. Let's say this is the response that I want to give when someone presses the ask a question button. Please describe your issue. And then I want to upload an image and I enter my URL there. And maybe I'm worried that the user is not going to navigate nicely with my buttons. So I also want to have an error message. I'll call it my button error card. I'm going to say, please press one of the buttons. Okay, just making up some content for us. Great, so now you can see I have 4 different cards on my menu or on my canvas. And how do I connect them? So I want to say that my welcome card, as you click on a card, notice how the right hand panel changes. So I want to say that my welcome card should go to my menu. And then on my menu card, I want to say that if you press button 1, you go to ask a question card. I haven't created content for the others. And then I also want to say that if they navigate wrongly, that it should go to the button card. As you make changes, you will see that savings happen automatically in the background. It will tell you when everything is saved. And then the really nice thing is you can click the preview and you will see the simulator that you might know by now. And if I say hi, I can test my interaction. I'm so, okay, cool, I want to ask a question, and there you can see my image nicely coming up. If I reset it and I say hi again, and maybe I'm not, as a user, I just type question instead of pressing the button, and then I get my error message. So lots of great things coming up with the canvas. This is your sneak peek. We're very excited. We're continuing to work on it. And this is an invitation. If you want to test it out, let us know. You can email me directly, neelke@turn.io, and then we can get you set up, and we would love feedback as we get ready to launch this to everyone.